I'm Nikita and welcome to my channel Grow Sober. Today video is a vlog video where I'm going to show you my bungee jump. Yes, you heard me right. I recently did bungee where I jumped from 160-meter height, which is absolutely crazy. But then I think the feeling I had after doing bungee was so incredible. I felt so blessed. I felt so happy that I couldn't express in words. So yeah, let's move towards my bungee video.
Hi, it's me, Nikita.
Double dog. Hotter! 3, 2, 1,
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, see you again. Bye bye.